But then we found out that it's for truck trans. So yeah, what's happening, people or YouTube family? Thank you for watching again. So we are gonna start doing the trans conversion. So I have a CDO1 or CDO-A, converting it so it can fit on the LS or the LM. Pretty much the kit I'm using is FabBot, and then it takes a 4060 bell housing instead of a T56 like Collins and all the other kits, which makes this kit pretty cheap. The whole kit together with the bell housing was about like 600 bucks altogether, so which isn't bad, and it comes with a clutch and slave, so it's pretty cool. Now I just I don't have a metal table. I'm gonna use this one. This is the table I'll be using. It's just a regular table. I don't have like a big nice table, so it should work, I believe, right? It looks pretty sturdy to me. I'm about to go get the transmission right now. Oh, but the good thing is I already cut the transmission. Oh, let's not look at the back. It's pretty dirty. Hey there. I already cut the transmission. Shout out Alex. Thank you for letting me use your tools. Cut the transmission already. Cut that bell housing off. All you have to do if you have a CDO9, pretty much in all the kits that are CDO9 to LS, you just go from the bell housing, there's a fin, there's a second fin, and in front of that second fin, that's where you cut. Just follow all the way around. Make sure you don't cut this ridge or the plate inside, and it should be like that. So we got that right there. So let me carry that over there and put it over there. So I forgot that I put it on this rolling chair or rolling thing. I don't know what it's called. I don't think so. Y'all can roast me in the comments or whatever. But I forgot. Oh man, I got stuck on the wheel. Yay. Made it hella easier instead of having to carry this heavy ass transmission all the way over there. I just carried it over real quick, just a couple feet. And to everybody that's sitting there like, oh shit, Robert knows how to do a CDO9 adapter plate to LS. No, I don't. But the good thing is we got YouTube. Hey! Now it's pretty straightforward. I watched a couple videos already, so we'll see. I've never done it before, so. All right, got better lighting now. Oops, that was bright. So you guys can see everything. So it's CDO1 or CDO-A, whatever, CD trans. FabBot, adapter plate with the bolts, spacer, and lines. Oh, I forgot the slave. Let me go get the slave. So I went to go get the slave, and inside the slave was a short shifter for the CD trans. So I was like, might as well put it in too. I forgot about this. No lie, I forgot about these ones. So we'll see right now. So we got a 12. Can you see? No, yeah, you can. There we go.
Cool.
We got it off. Wet. Damn, bro. Laid on, it's supposed to see a little gap. Oh yeah, there is a gap. You can see it. Approve?
It's good, bro. Is there supposed to be a gap here?
Yeah, they said there's supposed to be a gap.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay, now take it off, put the metal gasket on, some RTV in. Vámonos.
This motherfucker says in my head, bro.
So as you can tell, Alejandro took over for a little bit because he got bothered by me. But hey. Wait, I didn't record that. Oh! Oh! Oh, you put it on?
Yeah.
Put the plate on! Put the plate on!
Alright.
It's the Allen key bolts. Pass me the Allen key bolts. And no, I don't know what Allen key it is. What? Just put them on there and I go find one. Give me one. Give me one and we'll go find Allen key. Put it on.
Now we are installing the... Are we watching videos and like people putting cars together? Like the voiceovers? I think it's better videos. And they don't do the voiceovers? What are they saying? Harvard motherfucking saying. Oh shit, there's one? There's one, there's two more. Oh yeah, right at the bottom. There's another one. Oh right. Oh, don't stand there. So according to specifications. According? Oh, should I put that okay? Yeah. Do a cross tire.
So for the slave, you gotta take this pin out. And then that pin, once it's out, you can unplug this. And there's a little gasket here too, don't forget. So the gasket was stuck on there. I took the gasket and this out. And then in the kit, it supplied you with this fitting. If it focuses. And you just put the pin back in, and there you go. So now to build this, I think I have to take this line off. And I believe that line gets taken off, and this gets screwed in right here. So I'm about to do that right now too. See how that goes. Or it might be this line. Yeah, I think it's this side that goes in. The punch bent already?
Yes.
Why you make me get that one?
Nah, I didn't tell you to get that.
Yes, you did.
So do you want me to do it? You want to do it?
Yeah, do it.
Can't see shit, motherfucker. There you go. Oh, yeah.
We got that line in. Eee, wet. Oh. I gotta plug the other one in. All right, so now I got both lines in on here. So I believe this goes something right here. All right, I'll set you guys up right now, waiting for Alejandro to come back. So, just wait. I gotta wait. It didn't come with torque specs, so now we're gonna just tighten it. Go.
I don't know how much to put on. I put 20. I put 20. And then we'll took it down to 70 after that. That's scary. This is hella scary. Look at what. So there's a torque wrench that when you loosen the bolts, it tells you exactly the torque spec. Oh yeah, there was that? What the fuck is that? Like a snap-on or something? Yeah. It has a reading, no? Oh, that one, it works backwards too? Yeah, it works backwards too, so it tells you exactly what torque spec you took it out to. That's what we're gonna coach it, no? Should I put that 40 on?
Imagine.
I don't even know it's recording.
All right, so now we got this. So now this goes in this way. Don't mind the rusty shaft. I'm gonna clean it. I'll try to hit here with the wire wheel. So this goes this way. All right, so now we got the slave cylinder put on with the adapter plate, and all we do now is just put the belt housing on. Hey.
Right there.
Done.
But you gotta cut. You gotta. Oh, that's why. That's why, bro.
Oh yeah, there we go.
There you go.
You love me, bro.
You want a bolt to start it?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Where's the washers at? How many other duggers you gonna charge that to?
Huh?
Enough. If I have my camera,
Yeah, we're done.
Bro, I've been home
CDO9 matted to 4060 bell housing.
I'm trying to go to Reno, bro.
FabBot.
Bro. When I get my Camry back, or
Hey, wait.
They won't fix my truck.
Oh, that shit on my shoulder. So what we installing cut?
The shifter.
After we just finished what?
Installing that.
Bell housing and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Excessive short shifter so it can fit in the IS300 trans. Say it for me.
Excessive short shifter.
So?
So it can short shift the shifter. Shift.
So there's a pin that you gotta remove So there's a boot. You remove that pin, and then there's a
these.
pin on top of a pin. So you use move that one. Now you use another one. Remove that pin.
Look, I'm removing the pin.
Pretty much that's what happens. And then you loosen these 412s. And then once you remove these 412s, this whole thing comes off.
Off.
All right, bro. So what we get done today?
Bell housing, bracket for bell housing, shifter.
And that's it. That's pretty much it. So
That's a wrap.
that's a wrap. So yeah, pretty much we got FabBot plate on with the bell housing, with the slave cylinder ready for the LS swap. Other than that, we got the shifter relocation so it can fit in the IS. And then yeah.
And we need that. We didn't need this.
Yeah, so this is a spacer for if you're doing a CD truck trans. So we didn't use this one. I was tripping. We was tripping for like a good 30 minutes.
I was like, what the?
Trying to figure this out. But then we found out that it's for truck trans. So
It came with 2 seals.
yeah, it came with 2 seals. You put the 2 seals on.
O-rings.
O-rings. Other than that, and he didn't have torque specs. So we pretty much did our own torque specs. And we'll let you guys know if it leaks. We did 40 for these, and then I did 60 for these. And then no, actually I measured it. So if you guys like that, maybe if it leaks, tighten them. We'll keep you guys updated. Other than that, got the Xcessive shifter on, and this Mookie right here ready for that right there. And that right there. Almost done.
So we done.
All right, so we finished the whole transmission for the LS swap. Thank you, Alejandro, for coming.
You know what I'm saying?
For the background noise, if you guys hear people talking, that was our friends over.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, but usually me and Alejandro be cracking, but our friends came over, kept us company. But other than that, pretty much everything went smooth, huh, Alejandro?
It was lit.
It was lit. It was pretty cool. We got everything done that we were supposed to do, and everything worked out how it went. So other than that, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment on the video, and we will see you guys next time.
Yeah.